Let me explain about the gentleman's agreement. The gentleman's agreement between our president, there's no such, especially he go to a communist country. There's no such a legal mean. Instead, that is a kind of socialism. Socialism means there's no an agreement for that. It means socialism, you go, you've been there the communist country. So that is called socialism. Secondly, our president also been there, and the present president, BBM, been there, and when he was being accused with the trouble there in West Philippine Sea. So in West Philippine Sea, as of this present situation, it is our government will decide to fight or not to decide. In any way, we are being supported according to the Mutual Defense Treaty since before. And now, it comes up to the situation that everybody and politicians out there and the Senate and the Congress, especially the executive body, is talking about the gentleman's agreement. Meaning, the gentleman's agreement, there's no such legal agreement for that in the West Philippine Sea. It's because he been, what I mean, rather, he been through that communist country. So there's no such an agreement for that. He been there with the expenditure of the Philippine government, being as in the society that called socialism, and the society of China, and in the society on that country, even Russia or China, they are the two superpower country, but they are considered really communist country. So during that time of our previous president, as of now, the previous president, and going to this present date, May 22, I think, 2024. As of now, 2024, May. Our situation is considerably is none of legal. When we talk of in the upper house, so-called the executive house and the Senate, there's no legal mean when it comes to gentleman agreement. And even if you are going to express it in the other words, legality, to come up with that kind of situation, still the people, the person and the president itself are built in the communist country. So the president, the previous president is not going to have an agreement between the Philippines and the West Philippine Sea, which is legal. It is not legal. What I mean considerably, there's no agreement between the previous president and the present president that called gentleman's agreement. If there is a gentleman agreement, that is illegal. There's no legal matter for that, because we are on the democratic form of government. But then we are transacting to the communist form of government there in China and Russia. So considerably the West Philippine Sea, considerably east, and the situation still belong to the Philippines, the 200 miles away from our country, and the sea, from the shore of the Philippines, sea shore of the Philippines, and to the sea, and that is about the 200 miles, is considerably belongs to the Philippines. When it comes to West Philippine Sea, and that is common for those fishermen who wants to have fishing. Anybody can have fishing over there. So that means even international, considerably, that will be considerably as an international economic zone. So, but that is called exclusive economic zone. Also, that is not considerably only exclusive when out of 200 miles. You know, with the outside of 200 miles, that is the common water to have fishing. And everybody can have fishing, and then Vietnam, China, Russia, Japan, the so-called south side of the globe, where everybody can have fishing. Unless that will be inside in the 200 miles in our country, the Philippines. So, the West Philippine Sea still common. You cannot say legal. It's because we say West Philippine Sea, and that is out of the 200 miles. So, when it comes to West Philippine Sea, within the jurisdiction of 200 miles, that is the obligatory country is supposedly perform this obligation. And every one country has the sovereign to perform her duty to perform the 200 miles of each country. But out of that 200 miles, considerably the West Philippine Sea, considerably it will be called, if you are there in Borneo, that is also called, or in maybe, or yes, in Borneo, and a little bit down there to south, that is also West Borneo Sea. Okay? As maybe in Taiwan, that is called also West Taiwan Sea. And the West Philippine Sea is considerably between China and the Philippine jurisdiction, on China jurisdiction, the 200 miles of China and the 200 miles of the Philippine jurisdiction. So that is common. Then we can have free to have fishing, but the problem there is the big ship of the Chinese Coast Guard. So the problem now, we are not going to blame anybody as for those previous president that has being sailed or sold the West Philippine Sea. It's because there's no legal mean for that. We call it West Philippine Sea, but there's no legal. West Philippine Sea in legality, that means within the jurisdiction of 200 miles. After the 200 miles, that will be temporarily, and that will be commonly exclusive economic zone. So when the Chinese vessel is going to about to reach all that in our jurisdiction, the 200 miles, the Philippines, when the Chinese vessel is came to that, out of the 200 miles from the Philippines, you cannot say million, you cannot say absolutely, you cannot say that that sea is belong to the Philippines, because that is out of the 200 miles. As I have told you, when one of my video clips, I recorded in this my account. So, for example, I introduce you a jurisdiction, one barrel of gasoline, you can have how many miles from here to Samis, how many miles from Cagayan to Ligan, back again to Ligan to Samis. So just to have a measurement, how many miles within from Ligan City to Samis City. So when out of the 200 miles on the Philippine jurisdiction, that is not included of the jurisdiction of the Philippine archipelago. Since you've been out of that 200 miles, the water over there is belong to anybody. But the problem there is the kind of maneuver of the Chinese vessel. So I really understand, and those daring of the Philippine, what I mean rather absolutely, the daring of the Chinese Coast Guard. So anyway, has a right, the Philippine Coast Guard has a right, the PCG has a right to have claim to the court as a claim that we are being hit by the Chinese vessel. So that matter in that case will be bring to United Nations. But the problem